I am scared.
I am terrified.
I feel sad.
I feel blue.
I am happy.
I am overjoyed.
I am tired.
I am exhausted.
It's cold.
It's freezing.
It's hot.
It's scorching.
I don't know.
I have no clue.
I am busy.
I am swamped.
She is rich.
She is wealthy.
I am poor.
I am broke.
It's easy.
It's a breeze.
It's difficult.
It's challenging.
I am surprised.
I'm taken aback.
I am very angry.
I'm furious.
I am confused.
I am perplexed.
He's very funny.
He's hilarious.
I am very thirsty.
I'm parched.
It's very big.
It's massive.
It's very small.
It's tiny.
I'll think about it.
I'll mull it over.
I understand.
I get it.
Let's go.
Let's head out.
Wait a moment.
Hold on.
Be careful.
Watch out.
He's hardworking.
He's diligent.
She's intelligent.
She's brilliant.
It's boring.
It's dull.
That's good.
That's excellent.
It's important.
It's crucial.
It's unimportant.
It's trivial.
I'll call you later.
I'll ring you up.
I'm very lucky.
I'm fortunate.
She's very beautiful.
She's stunning.
It's very cheap.
It's affordable.
It's very expensive.
It's pricey.
He's very fast.
He's quick as lightning.
I'm very nervous.
I'm anxious.
It's very tasty.
It's delicious.
It's very dirty.
It's filthy.
He's very strong.
He's powerful.
It's very quiet.
It's silent.
I am very sick.
I'm gravely ill.
That's interesting.
That's captivating.
It's very hard.
That's captivating.
That's very cool.
That's awesome.
I'm very tired.
I'm drained.
I am angry.
I'm livid.
I'm very happy.
I'm jubilant.